Hi, in this video, let us discuss about evolution of programming methodologies. So that means over the period of time, what are the different programming methodologies people have used? The first methodology is called monolithic programming, and the second one is called procedural programming, and the third one is object oriented programming. So let us discuss each in detail. So the first one what we have is called monolithic programming. Mono means single and large unit. So in this type of programming, the method that have been used here is when a task is given, it is not reduced into smaller task, rather it will be considered as a big task, and starting from the scratch till the end of the program it will be continuously it will be written, and most probably the execution sequence will be a sequential one. So in this type of programming, the program is written with a single function, and the program is not divided into parts. The next method we call it as procedural programming. So as we see here the name procedure, so in this methodology the given task is divided into several smaller tasks, and each task will be implemented by using a concept called procedure or functions. So procedures and functions are a small program blocks that will helpful to decompose the complexity of the program or reduce the complexity of the program. So in this type of programming, so the program uses several functions and subroutines. So the functions can also be called as procedures or methods. So good example of procedural programming is a C language. The next method is called object oriented programming. In object oriented programming, the major focus is on creating objects. And in order to create the objects, first we have to create a class. Class is basically it is acting as a common item, and by fine tuning this to our requirement we create another duplication of the class called object. So the object will act as a variable for a class. So in this programming methodology, the major focus is on creation of the class and objects. So we can call a class as a common or general item, and objects as a specific item or specific thing which is derived from the class. So over the period people used these three programming methodologies. Thank you.